Hi, my name's Don. I'm a copywriter. I give Freshchat a 4 out of 5 star rating. For more reviews like this, click below. Yeah, so I was using talk.to and talk.chat, and it was just a little bit laggy and a little bit buggy. It created HTML issues on my homepage and my chat console. Freshchat just seemed to get up and running really quick. It enabled the HTML issues of other chat softwares to disappear, and I was able to get up and running real quick. And so visitors to my site feel like they're actually talking to me in real time, which they are. But also I have some integrated steps to make sure that they feel like they're talking to someone when I'm not always there. Yeah, so easy to integrate and get onboarded. It's just, I think about 2 or 3 setup clicks. Obviously, build an account, you integrate it on your website, and you're up and running faster than you could even lick a stamp. I think the benefit of having live chat on a website and being able to integrate with people that are making buying decisions on your actual landing pages and sales pages is critical. You can influence and you can also fine tune your go-to-market commentary. I think that it's a smart move to sort of really scale your approach no matter where you are in the world. You can be talking directly to customers, and that's invaluable.